Hey, welcome back to Whitetail Garage. This week we're going to upholster some seats. We're going to start with the rear, and it's going with the more period correct because that's the only padding I can find. I'd much rather have foam on this. Again, I'm not terribly worried about this being a concourse car or anything, but this is the only thing that's available. So this is the, what is it, Distinctive Industries material. It's the interior upholstery kit from, I think I got it from CJ Pony Parts. NPD was the only one that carried the kit that includes the this seat foam, frame padding, the actual cotton batting, and then this. So the back's going to be more period correct. The fronts, I'm using a more traditional foam padding. We'll get to those after we do the rear. All right, so I'm at a bit of a disadvantage. So what was on this car originally in the rear was gone. It was just destroyed, and so I couldn't really use that as an example. And then this kit comes with just material, and you just have to know where it goes. And so I've got this canvas, which from what I can tell, that's supposed to go on the seat frame first, then the cotton batting is next, and then this guy, this only goes on the bottom, I believe, on the bottom of the seat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a towel down on this table, and then I'm going to put the seat cover down, then the cotton batting down, then the canvas down, and then start pulling it tight, see if that works. The other thing I forgot to mention is I'm going to install universal seat heaters, front and rear, for this. So I don't think the wiring of these will be in this video. That'll probably be a separate video, but I'll be laying in the padding here where it needs to go on the seat back and seat bottom for the front buckets and the bench seat. Alright, seat heater backs installed. Again, this is the back of the back seat. So these are installed, the pigtails come out. I'll just finish the rest of the installation. Alright, so for the batting, all I did was roll it out over the hood and cut it right in half. So I get half of it on the bottom, half of it on the top. No idea if that's the right way to do it, but that's the way I'm doing it. All right, that seat is finished. So now it's on to the front seats. Okay, so as I said, they're the Distinctive Industries upholstery, and just the standard black vinyl. And then I'm replacing the foam, and this is the American Cushion Industries foam. The upholstery is part of the interior kit that I bought from CJ Pony Parts, and then this I got from MPD, the seat foam. And then I also got new listing wires for both seats as well. I went in and just bought the kit to make sure I had everything I needed. I know you can use like coat hanger or welding wire. That's what most people use. But I decided to buy the kit so I knew exactly what I'd need. So let's jump into it. Almost forgot, I'm putting seat heaters in the front seats here. They go in between the pad and I totally forgot to put those in. So gonna start doing that now. All right, seat, driver's side seat is, the seat back is done. Turned out pretty good. Now it's on to the seat bottom. Well, these listing wires are an absolute pain, and the reason they're such a pain is it's tough to see down there in that crack where the spring is that you need to grab. But I just figured out with a flashlight well placed, you can see exactly where you need to grab, like right there on that one. See? So, little trick. It's working for me anyway. All right, this seat is complete, ready to go in. I didn't talk about it much, but I just put 3 across the top and 3 across the sides on each of the listing wires. And then for these, just hit all the spots where it's obvious where they go. So that's all in. Put all the side pieces in. This is the way the seat turned out. Looks good. Let me drop it in the vehicle. All right, interior is done. That is both front and rear seats reupholstered. Did the new carpet, new floor mats. I still gotta wire this guy up. That's for the light that's in the shifter bezel. But otherwise, she is back together. So yeah, that was not really a fun job. Had no idea the challenge it is to reupholster, even, you know, when you've got the full set of material that's already, you know, they're just covers. But just redoing those covers is a chore. I went through all 250 hog rings that come in the kit. Didn't expect that. That was something that I didn't realize either. But now I know why upholstery shops charge so much. That is a ton of work. I did not enjoy that work. It was filthy. It was one of the dirtier things on this car. Getting all that old stuff out and then getting the new stuff in, that was nice. It is great that the car has a new car smell on the inside, so I like that. But otherwise, it's all done. So we're gonna go take it up to the drive-through and get some dinner. Merch, if you want to support the channel, go buy a t-shirt, whitetailgarage.com. Go check that out. Leave a like, subscribe. We'll see y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching.